guys, what's up? It's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So today we're coming at you guys with a never have I ever. Babe, you ready for this? You ready to learn some things about me?
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing the Never Have I Ever challenge, Jamaican edition and couples edition. All right, so basically, babe, you know what the drill is. If you have not, then you put up your I have not. Are you seeing it good?
Yeah.
And if you have, you'll put up your I have. Okay, so babe, show him yours, because he did his and his looks better than mine. I'm salty about that. Let's get into it, baby. You ready? Drink up. Cheers. Cheers. Ha. This is not sponsored by Absolute Vodka, but that's what we're having right now. Never have I ever cheated on anyone. And go. So you have cheated.
Who have you cheated on?
Not you.
Oh, wait, I make sure.
Okay. Who have you cheated on?
Everybody before you.
What? What? Did you hear that, guys? He said he cheated on everyone before me. You know them say a tiger never lose its spot. Don't play with me.
Tiger doesn't have spots.
Or whatever, a cheetah. You know what I mean? Don't play with me,
A leopard doesn't lose its spots.
A leopard doesn't lose its spots, but you better make sure you lose your spots. Never have I ever bought fake shoes, like a fake Louis Vuitton, a fake anything. You have, babe?
I have.
I have not. I don't wear fake.
In Jamaica, you know, it's hard to get more on real stuff.
Are you guys
some of my time, you buy some of my time it's fake.
True.
Just so you know.
So he has bought fake. I've never really bought fake. Question: never have I ever lied about my location to my significant other. And this can be before you. I have. Never have I ever been arrested. 1, 2, 3, boom. So I have never. He has.
I have.
Comment below if you guys want a story time about that. It's hilarious. Not really. Never have I ever had a one-night stand. A one-night stand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Y'all can see mine. All right, so I have not, babe.
I have.
Elaborate.
You know, college days.
Have you had many or just one night?
More than one, more than two, more than three. Quite a few.
Thank God for your past. You better make sure that this leopard changes his spots.
And this spot we change our coat.
Alright, another one. Never have I ever had a pregnancy scare. Wait, ready, set, boom. So we both have had. So she lied. Ladies, don't follow that example. Don't lie about you're pregnant and you're really not, okay? Don't do it. It ain't cute. Right, baby? Don't do it. Never have I been with two persons at the same time. So, are we doing dating or having sex?
Let's see.
I don't know. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, babe. You have too much story to tell. That's a lot of story to tell.
Not with like 2, like 3.
What? You don't hear this? You better make sure you see your stripe them change. Another question. This one is really hot. Never have I ever come in 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Ooh, 5 minutes?
Okay.
Babe, lies. Babe, 5 minutes? You better put up that I have.
Yeah, a fool, man.
You have.
You say you
babe,
a
you
fool,
have.
man. Wait.
That's not true,
Wait.
babe. 5 minutes.
First, me first time.
Yeah?
Are you first time?
No, you.
Are you first time? No, let me talk it. No, let me spill the beans.
Listen, if y'all want a story time on the first time,
don't let me spill.
Comment below. Alright, comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But mainly, if you want that story time, let me know down below. But babe, you have.
No.
Anyways, because if not,
look,
it was probably 5 minutes. It felt long to you.
No, yeah, probably.
Never have I ever had sex in a public place. Dun dun dun. Baby, have you ever had sex in a public place? Woo!
I have.
So we both have, okay? That's another story time to be told. If y'all want that story time, comment below.
Too much places to count.
Babe, you're ridiculous.
Yeah.
I'm only recalling one. You shouldn't be thinking about anybody else but me.
Where was your most outrageous public place?
With you.
With me? On a public place?
Babe, I don't regard anything else but you. Unlike you would regard somebody else.
Remember, I'm a guy. Statistics.
You're a guy, so what that mean?
Statistics. You can't forget the stats.
Never have I ever faked it. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Make sure I know with me, no?
No comment.
What? I will knock you out. Have you ever done that to me? For real? Huh?
You lied. You told a lie and we both come in 5 minutes.
So he's lying. He's never faked it. Not with me.
Hey guys, I'm not lying.
You're not lying about what exactly?
Next question.
We're gonna talk about this later. Never have I ever watched porn. Duh, who doesn't? I mean, don't take it for your habit though. But never have I ever had sex while my parents were in the house. 1, 2, 3.
What? Mommy have to know say boy are going with things. Mommy have to hear get a ball out through the room.
Babe.
What do you mean?
You're disgusting. I have not. Okay, because I love my parents and I respect them.
Mommy have to know say boy.
But see, it's a double standard. Boys can do that, but women, we can't do that.
Strike.
You know?
And I just with mommy alone. Daddy, sister, brother. Come on, when she's in the room. Things are good.
Never have I ever brushed my teeth with someone else's toothbrush.
Nah, always my own.
Oh shit, well guess what? I hate to break it to you. I have.
Freaking thing.
I have. And
not.
I use his toothbrush. So, but I use his toothbrush all the time.
But it's mine. I don't really trust nobody more. So.
Well, I've been using his toothbrush, guys. And I love it. Never have I ever spent money in the strip club. Strip clubs are lit. I like strip clubs. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I have. How much money I spend in a strip club?
Buy liquor.
So you've never tipped the stripper them?
Why?
Babe, really? You're the worst kind to go in a strip club.
So, hold on, you think I get free money?
So you wouldn't go in a strip club and actually give the strippers money?
And I'm missing them up. And I'm missing them up there. I want to kiss for him.
Babe, come on. I love a man that doesn't give his money to strippers. Never have I ever been rejected. Rejected? Bruh. Not to think long and hard on this. If I've been rejected, they never told me. Stupid. I'm like, if I've been rejected, they never told me. Have I been rejected, baby? No.
Yeah.
I can't recall being rejected.
Back then.
I'm sure we've all been rejected, babe. Put up your rejection. Aww, kiss,
but
baby.
My one with explanation.
My one with reasoning.
Because here I go. Them always look for me and say, I don't want nobody. You know, to understand.
You know what, baby?
What?
Rejection is God's protection. And it brought me here with you. And you with me. You see? Give me a kiss.
Sorry for you, man.
Give me a kiss. Alright guys, so that was it for our video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. What else? More videos coming soon or what?
Yeah, more videos.
Guys, I'm gonna get pan him. go on his Instagram and tell him to start doing more videos. All right, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. All right, we're at 222. Help us to get to 300 subscribers. All right, baby. And just like that, Majestic love says
peace.
Peace.
We're out of here.